When you try to speak English, do people laugh at your accent? Or even say, sorry, every 2 seconds? And after that, you start overthinking everything. You speak less, you panic more, and even simple sentences become difficult. First, you need to ignore these people. And second, you do not need a British accent or an American accent to sound fluent. Because fluency is about being clear, natural, and confident when you speak. And honestly, even some native speakers don't speak clearly themselves. So today I will show you 3 real strategies that will help you sound more fluent in English and without faking an accent. I'm Dr. Ima and I teach English at university, and a lot of students told me before that whenever they try to say something in English, people are like, what? So they repeat it again and again, and at some point they start thinking, maybe my English is bad. But most of the time, that's not the problem. The real problem is nobody taught them, or even you, how spoken English actually works. And in this video, we will fix that together. In English, we don't pronounce all the letters. Sometimes the letters are silent. Sometimes they even disappear, and sometimes some words in English look nothing like their pronunciation. For example, how would you pronounce this word? What? No, it's not knowledge. It's pronounced as knowledge. Knowledge. You see, the K is silent, and the word means information or things you learned. Honestly, I don't know why the K is there. Maybe it's for decoration. And how would you pronounce this word? No, it's not thoroughly, it's thoroughly. Thoroughly. You see, half the letters disappeared completely. The word means completely or carefully. Another classic is this word, and no, it's not Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Wednesday. So what should you do instead to remember the pronunciation? Every day, learn just 5 words with their pronunciation, their meaning, and example sentences. Use Google Translate, Youglish, or even dictionary audio. Also, something very important, learn collocations. What are collocations? Collocations are words that naturally go together. For example, you don't say to do a decision, you say to make a decision. You don't say strong rain, you say heavy rain. Because native speakers don't build sentences word by word. No, they use chunks of language to sound more fluent and natural. Of course, chunks of language mean words or groups of words which go naturally and smoothly together. English is music. One of the biggest reasons people don't speak fluently and naturally in English is because they speak English like a robot. For example, instead of saying, I want to go to the store, they will say, I want to go to the store. No, bro, relax. I said that English is like music in the sense that native speakers don't speak word by word. They glide through sentences. Sometimes they go up, sometimes they go down, and sometimes they eat half the sentence. Instead of saying, what are you doing? A native speaker will say, what are you doing? What are you doing? Another one. Instead of saying, did you eat yet? They will say, did you eat yet? Did you eat yet? So if you speak too correctly, too slowly, and you pronounce every single word, you will certainly sound unnatural. Again, think about music. If you stop after every word, there is no rhythm. It's the same thing with English. So what should you do? Take one sentence from Netflix, YouTube, or even a podcast that you like, and don't just repeat the words. No, repeat the music, the rhythm, the emotion, the speed, the melody. Do this only 10 minutes a day and your English will sound more fluent and smoother. Record yourself. I know, nobody likes hearing their own voice. You record yourself once and suddenly you're like, wait, that's what I sound like? Unfortunately, yes. But this is one of the fastest ways to improve your fluency because when you record yourself once, you notice things immediately. Unclear pronunciation, hesitation, lack of confidence, bad rhythm. That's why let's do this challenge right now. Say this sentence. Today I am working on my English fluency. Record yourself 5 times and every time improve one thing. Maybe clearer pronunciation, more confidence, better rhythm. Also compare yourself to native speakers. Not to copy their accent, but just to improve your clarity and flow. And after just 1 week, you'll hear the difference. Never let insecure people shame your accent. Your accent does not mean your English is bad. It only means that you actually speak more than one language, which is something to be proud of. Your brain is literally thinking in one language and speaking in another language, and that's powerful. So stop chasing perfection and focus on being understood, because that's real fluency. Now hear me out. If you practice these consistently for 30 days, your English will sound different. I'm not saying perfect, no, there is nothing like that. But smoother, more natural, and more confident. Let me know in the comments what tip you like the most, and if you want to see another video this week, like, comment, and subscribe, because in this channel we are growing together and we are learning real English.